Hi, Zoology. Happy Monday. Know that even though I am having an amazing time on my vacation, I still miss you guys so much. And I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. So this is just a little short video. Going to talk about your project since it's the first project we've done yet. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you what I want from your projects and then show you the project options, okay? So, sharing my screen. Here we go. All right. Hopefully, you guys have been able to get on to week 4's assignment. You know that this whole week is basically just a project work week. So you have all the time in class to work on this. With the exception on Wednesday, we are going to have a short mini quiz, but that's open notes. And then the rest of the time is for you to work on your projects as well. So for our projects, you are going to be researching humans, so Homo sapiens, which I just gave you the answer number 1. There are these questions that I want you guys to answer. They need to be cited. So whenever you do your sources, I want you to make sure that you're finding reputable sites. So not like scienceforkids.com, because who knows what kind of information they could give on there. .govs are usually good. Wikipedia is a good place to start looking for information. If you scroll down to the bottom of a Wikipedia page, there's always sources at the bottom. So think about using those. Use some stuff that you know is reputable. By this point in your high school career, you should know what research looks like and what good sources look like. You are going to be making a project. So this is kind of how our projects go. We look at different characteristics. We look at the scientific names of organisms. We look at where they belong, what their role is in the environment. But for us, because we're thinking about what things are closely related, we're going to look at internal structures as well. So I want you to think about humans in our body functions and our body systems. What systems do you think are more advanced? What kind of functions do they serve? What's special about them? Really kind of diving deep into that. So there are going to be a couple of project options, which I have to stop sharing and share my screen again. So this is our whole semester. We are going to do a total of 5 projects. And for each project, there are 3 options you can do. So because this is project number 1, we're going to be focusing on these options right here. So let me draw these options. So you can make a magazine or newspaper cover. You can make a collage. You can create a map. So I think of map, when I wrote this originally, I was thinking like a timeline kind of idea, or like legitimately like a treasure map. I don't know what I was thinking in my brain, but that's where I went. You know, that's what Christmas break does to me, as I think of random things. The newspaper magazine cover, you can totally use Canva. If you've ever used Canva before, it has templates already for you. A collage, just a bunch of different pictures and words that represent the answers to your questions. And then a map, obviously, whatever you can figure out for that. All of your research should be easily answered within this project or this visual component to it. So trying to think about how to simplify some of these things, especially if you're trying to think about a collage, like you're only going to be able to fit a few words in there. So make sure that those are really powerful words that mean a lot and convey enough information. So this is the first project that we're going to do. I'm going to stop screen sharing. Hopefully that makes a lot of sense and it wasn't just a bunch of rambling mess, because we all know Miss Johnson's brain doesn't always work. But I can't wait to see you guys, and I hope that you're having a wonderful time. And yeah, that's it. Good luck starting your project. You can email me if you have questions, or I'll be there tomorrow and you can ask me then. All right, bye guys.